Okay, so everyone, yes, there was hot debate going on between Nishan Basnet and Chewang,
Tamang.
not Tamang, what Tamang are you?
Thing.
Chawang Thing and Nissan Barki. Basnet. Okay. Now Nissan Basnet is saying that there are more facilities we get in government job. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is this your statement?
Yes.
So what do you want to say? Is he right? Is there no facility in government job?
No, so there is
Private job?
in private job we can get health insurance
Okay.
and health facilities and enough leave also we can get.
Okay.
So
So he is saying that. Are you satisfied or agreed with his statement?
No, sir.
No. Why?
I'm saying that in government job there is no facilities.
No facility.
Yes,
In
sir.
government job, no facility.
Private sector.
Private job, no facility. Okay. He is saying that in private job there is no facility.
sir, but there is
You're right.
no sir.
Okay.
There
Let
is.
us know what sorts of facilities we get actually in private job.
Sir, I have already told that health facilities
Health facility is there, yes. Health
and
insurance is there.
the
yes.
LICs are also
LIC
there.
is there. Life insurance company, Bima, you can do this.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. And sir, leave also we can get.
Leave also you can get. Still, you are not happy with this choice.
No, sir. I'm happy with his choice, but I like government job. That's why I'm saying about
Why
government.
do you like government job? Every facility you are getting in private company, private job. Still, you are
When we
Dying
do
for government job.
when we do a private job, that time according to me, we are dog for boss.
okay. So you can be the dog. Means understood now. Okay. So and yes.
Then government jobs holders are also dog of mantris.
Yes,
from
yes, yes. So he's saying that. Okay, okay. Kausal Gale, whom do you want to support?
So I want to support Chun.
Chavan. Okay, so he's saying that private job holders are in other way. If you say that he has already said dash and dash. So do you want to agree with his statement?
No, sir.
No. Why?
Why? Because he is saying that private sector that employees are dog about the
Okay.
boss,
Yes,
but they are not, sir.
they are not.
They are there by their talents.
Okay. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Because it's very hard to get private job.
Yes, sir.
In the comparison of government job, if you see, in both sectors we see the same difficulties to get the job. Okay. So yes, you want to
sir.
say this. So that and why do you want to support Chawang?
So because, sir, if maybe, sir, I'm government job that I'm police.
Yes.
That I have to that follow Mantri's order.
Yes.
Yes, I cannot do by myself.
Okay,
That I
you
want to do
be the
that.
boss of your own.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, that's great. Now, Sibraj,
Yes.
whom do you want to support? Nishan,
want to choose
Khadge
Nishan.
or okay,
Nishan Basnet.
Why do you want to do government job?
Because if I get once time government job, no one can fire with us.
Okay, so yes, this is the very great point he has said that once
That's
you
why.
get government job, nobody can, remove you from that post or fire you from there. Okay. So yes, now your private job, you support private job. So what do you want to say that? Is Sibraj right?
No, sir.
No, why?
Because of if you do work honestly,
Yes.
so why honor
Yes,
fire
yes.
you?
He's saying if you are honest to your work, if you are good at your work, then nobody can fire you. He's saying that. Now, you want to support government job. Okay. So, what do you want to say to him? He's saying that, yes,
Sir, if company lost, then
Yes.
then fire
okay, that's great. That's great point. He said that if company
lost.
is in loss, all employee will be fired because company will not look after your problems and all.
Yes.
But in government job, this kind of facility is not there. Either government is in loss, profit, no problem. Same level of salary you will
Yes,
get. No
sir.
increment.
Yes.
Okay. You are government. You support government job. You government job. Okay. No, yes. Yes. Now you say. What do you want to say to now, Jibika?
What, sir? If company gets lost,
Yes. Then company will just fire all the employees.
yes, sir. But if after company get more profits,
Yes.
they will call us later.
Yes.
Then
Yes.
listen, sir. What I want to say that if government in loss, so from where governments
Will recover.
Yes, sir. From
Yes,
businessmen
yes.
only.
Yes, yes. Now, yes. So if government is in loss, how government recover the lost amount? Who gives money to the government?
Government.
He is saying it is his statement.
When financial problem, this time support.
Who
Uh,
supports?
uh, who are richest?
Richest means what? Private companies. Yes.
Richest means businessmen.
Yes. Ultimately,
From businessmen
now-
only government take debt.
Yes.
Take this.
Yes. Government takes loan from the private
Businessmen.
companies. He said
Yes.
businessmen. Okay, now yes. Now, do you want to change your decision?
No, sir.
Choice still you
Yes, sir.
stick to the government job. Option.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Bindu, looking beautiful. What cream have you used? Why were you absent in the last class?
Sir,
Really, you're looking beautiful. Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Okay, and why were you absent in the last class?
Sir, mommy
Mummy was not fine.
going dancing.
She
That's
went to
why.
Dalchinpada. What is
Yes.
your mummy name?
Binu Chetri.
Bini.
Binu.
Oh, Binu and Bindya. That's great. Now, Ritu Sunar, you tell me.
No, sir.
What? Nisa Sunar. Nisa, you tell me. So there are some are supporting government jobs, some are supporting private jobs. So what job do you want to do in future?
Government job.
Government job you want to do? Why? Why do you want to do government job? Whatever you just say. Okay, no problem. You take time. You speak because this is debate, and I have to go to them also. Government job. Why? No reason. You.
Sir, I don't know.
You should know only two options are there in our decision. Either you can choose government job, private job, because third option is not there. Third option means business.
Yes, sir.
So what do you want to do?
Sir, government job.
Government job.
Yes,
Why?
sir.
Give us some reasons or merits or advantage that you want to do.
Sir,
You can say to me in Nepali, no problem. And RNA, are you ready? Not ready.
sir, that's it.
Hello, Dipesh, you say what job do you want to do?
So, government job?
And you?
Sir, private job.
Okay. Okay, now you tell me why do you want to do private job?
Sir, because private job is, sir, because private job have good salary and
Yes.
good
So he is
income.
saying that private job, handsome salary we can find in private job. Still you are choosing government job. Why? Go with handsome salary. Why are you going with poor salary? In government job, poor salary.
Nepali,
yes.
Nepali.
Nepali and English mixed leaves. Yes.
द प्राइभेट जबमा चाहिँ अब जस्तै कि हामीले आफ्नो चुजले काम गर्नुपर्छ नि त चोइस गरेर मतलब जुनै पनि
So you are choosing government job or private job?
प्राइभेट जब
You are in a private job.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, private job. Okay. So yes. Once you said government job, that's why I asked.
I'm sorry.
Okay, no. In what company you want to do?
द युट्युब
YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's a very good platform. Okay, you are working in YouTube.
यस सर
What types of work do you do in YouTube?
सर ब्लग्स एन्ड
You make
भिडियो यस सर
okay a blog.
यस सर
So how many videos have you uploaded till now?
सर 62
62 videos.
यस सर
And when are you going to upload next video?
सर आई डोन्ट नो
You don't know. You have not recorded yet.
नो सर
You are looking for content.
यस सर
You have not found any interesting content.
यस सर यस
That's great. Okay. Hello, Jugal. Why don't you speak? Regal, why don't you speak? What happened to you? Not comfortable?
No, sir.
Why? Why are you not comfortable? See, time is equal to all. Time is equal to all. And if you utilize time, you can be successful in future. This is not a school. This is not a college. Why don't you speak?
Sir, I don't know.
You don't know? You should know. This is your life. This is your time. Okay, so you should know. Which job do you want to do? Government job or private job?
Sir, government job.
Why do you want to do government job?
Sir, simply.
Sorry? No reason.
Sir,
Okay, in government job, there are many, fields. So in which field you want to see yourself in future? Defense, or in some other fields? Many fields are there.
Sir, no. Sir, quite sir.
As what employee you want to serve the nation by finding yourself in government sector? Teacher, soldier,
Soldier,
soldier.
sir.
What do you want to be? In the army,
Indian Army
in air force, in navy, or in paramilitary?
and Indian Army.
Indian army you want to be.
Yes, sir.
Did you face this time this Agniveer exam?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, it's zero.
Okay, it is due to the age you didn't apply. Okay, did you apply for Agniveer exam this time?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, I. Sir, I don't want.
You don't want to be in an army?
Yes, sir. Because I have reason for what I have physical means issues.
Oh, you have physical issue. Okay, so and what job do you want?
Sir, private.
Private job.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what type of job do you want to do in private sector?
Sir, electrician.
Electrician. Okay,
sir.
are you doing course for this?
Yes, sir. No, sir. But
You will do. in
do
future.
I will do.
Okay, and government job you want to do? In what field in government sector you want to do work and serve the nation in future?
Teacher.
Sorry, teacher. You want to be a teacher? Why do you want to be a teacher? Teacher, people say teacher is a boring job. You want to be a teacher.
Yes, sir.
No good salary. Still you want to be a teacher.
So,
Teacher, professor, what do you want to be?
sir, if I selected in professor, then I
Okay. Obviously you will get selected if you work hard. Nothing is impossible.
yes, sir.
Okay, so you don't say if you will become professor in future, you have to say I shall become.
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't say if.
Yes, sir.
If what you avoid
Yes, sir.
today onwards,
Yes, sir.
you say that I will be professor in future.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in which subjects will you teach?
So history.
History. Do you like history? Why do you like history?
Because history teaches new things.
Okay. Which is the subject in future? Okay, so Rekha, you want to do a government job. So in what field in government sector do you want to serve the nation in future?
Sir, if
Come out, little bit come out and say. In what field do you want to do?
if we shall do hard work, then we can get a good job. Like
No, don't include us. You tell me. You tell us what do you want to be, right?
sir.
What job do you want to do in government sector?
So I like police.
You want to be a police girl.
Yes, sir.
There
I
are
like.
many posts in police service.
So, but I like.
Constable,
Yes, sir.
sub inspector, DSP, and CI. You can be CI. You can be from the departmental process. There is no direct exam for this post.
Yes, sir.
Sub inspector you want to be.
Yes, sir.
You had already told me.
Yes,
Okay. So and how are you preparing for this? Are you preparing for this?
No, sir. But I shall prepare.
Okay, you shall prepare soon.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and for this graduation we need graduation degree, and then only can be able to apply for this. Come here, right? Okay. Don't you want to speak? Okay. So I spoke. Okay.